Crazy time. Yeah. So here's another one. With people not social distancing, right, and the police issuing summonses for social distancing, right? Pretty soon the jails are going to be full of people on these minor violations. Can you picture that? Hey, what are you in for? Yeah, I'm in for second-degree coughing. How about you? I'm here on a sneezing 3 rap. Oh, that doesn't sound that bad. Actually, it is. Actually, it is. Yeah. I'm on parole for third-degree drooling. You are in big trouble. You should have copped out the hiccups.